As we gather this evening, we welcome you to embrace the time before you, the moment in which you are in, and to allow yourself to open your mind's vision or your way of thinking, of interpreting and hearing the words, but more so feeling the flow of essence to you. We are the gathering, that of masters throughout time, existence, multidimensional, from highest light realms, yet all around you, for one is the same. And we say you are not alone here in your journey, your travel. You are accompanied by such love, consistently. We stand by, and those of guides, aides, helpers, so many in number, waiting for you to receive, to recognize that the love at hand is yours truly to claim. For while we are unique beings, we are each one and the same source, light, pure love and manifestation. And manifestation is not merely that of the physical realm, but rather that of the individuality, the fine vibration frequencies, our signature names. We are reflections, cascading lights that dance through existence. The one moment you call time, that you think of it as in limitation. And yet, through all, pure love exists at your core. There is no need for disease, for heartache, turmoil, or fatigue. For as you breathe and take in air without thought, so the essence of life flows through you. It flows through your cells, your atoms. It flows through all existing. For it is the essence all is built from and remains. It is the time of alignment, in body, in essence, and spirit, all aspects of self, in every plane imagined, those thought of, those dreamed, those experienced as real and thought to be unreal, yet truly existing. All form, all matter, all vibration, sound, the color tone realities, the imagined into reality, all are filled and beating with the vibration of love essence. Vibration raises, the pure light shines through. The white mist, the flowing golden color threads through it, raising vibration, and all, unlike pure love, is permeated as well. The tones, they harmonize with divine love essence. And as it moves through, as it raises up, so the light shines through and for all. Within yourself there is goodness and light. Pure love dwells throughout your entire form. It is time to awaken, to allow yourself permission to harmonize with that which you are as love, expanding your heart, each chakra open, allowing the flow of light to move through, letting go sadness and remorse, pain and turmoil. They need exist no more. Lift up yourself in thought, in imagination, for truly what you think you manifest and create the life you live. So shake loose and acknowledge instead the story of your true ability to harmonize with life to the fullest extent as love. Now love, it is not emotion we speak of. It is the sound, the tone, the vibration, source, which all came forth from. And so it remains, pure and clear at its core, within you as essence. We encourage you to gather, to come together, embody as consciousness, as essence, to raise a vibration, increasing tone of the frequencies you are. For on the earth plane, great things are happening. The platform has been changed. And as stated months ago, so the Great Awakening has been expanded. The time of love is here. Dear one, we say, open wide your arms, your heart, your mind, your eyes, vision, your essence, and dance the song of life that flows through you from your core. Listen within to the pull, that which lifts you up higher. And as you do, as you take each step, the next shall become known to you. Let go the fear, the remorse, clinging to disparity. It is a facade, much as written in a book, a character in a story. You can let it go just as you close the book when you are done reading. Look at your life, we say, with eyes of love and honesty, and ask yourself in genuine speech, is this how you choose to live? And if you cling to that which harms you, which brings you down, which aggravates, in emotion, in occurrences, truly ask the self why. Of what it is you seek to learn from experiencing in these ways, and allow the answer to come to you so that you can learn the lessons that you placed before yourself and move onward out of turmoil, out of heartache and hardship. For all who incarnate, all who came, wrote the path before them. There is a way through, taking on what you came to learn and moving forward. Allow yourself to receive the guidance, the assistance that is all around you. And while unseen to many eyes, it is there all the same. Ask for what you seek, what you need. And as it is right, it shall come to you. And if not yet appropriate or ready for what it is you seek, that which leads you there towards your truth of self shall be presented. Remember your schooling. You did not begin your kindergarten grade knowing all things, knowing advanced mathematics and writing, nor even reading. Such in life as with spiritual growth, with raising vibration, with all experiences. You learn, you absorb, you build one upon the other. This does not mean it must take a long time, for time is non-existent. Your learning, your growth follows your intention and the reasons you chose to incarnate. As you allow yourself to expand, to broaden, to grow, raising vibration, expanding your consciousness, so your truth flows through you with far, ever greater ease. You shall indeed notice through daily, morning and night, and throughout your day as you think upon it. Take but the few moments, consciously aware of the light that you breathe, the It passes through your skin, your muscles, your bone, your essence, your multi-layers expanded beyond physical vision. As you do, your frequencies increase. And as these increase, illness and low vibration cannot exist within them. And begin to play, imagine stretching out radiant light. You may view it as a bubble, you may view it as sun rays of dancing frequency patterns. You may simply think it and know it is occurring. And as you do, stretching it out further or allowing yourself to follow how far it flows. For it is the expanse through all things, as earlier mentioned. Give permission to yourself, we urge, to expand and to play in your brilliance. With and as love being, your oneness and reflection, we say shalom, peace be, and shine your radiance. Thank you very much. That was The Gathering, and this is Heather Anayaya. Thank you for joining us, and peace be. Much love.